This is KVS Naidu, lecturer in mathematics, Miriam College, Amalapuram. Today I would like to explain second BSc third semester subject mathematics. Title of the paper Abstract Algebra. This paper contains, this is also called modern algebra. This paper contains 5 units. First one groups, second one subgroups, third one normal subgroups, fourth one homomorphism, fifth one permutations and cyclic groups. Let us start first unit groups. Let us start first unit groups. First introduction to some basic points. First one, set. A set is a collection of objects. A set is a collection of objects. These objects are called elements. These objects are called elements. Usually the sets are denoted by capital letters A, B, C and so on. Second one, Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Let capital A and capital B be a two sets. Let capital A and capital B be a two sets. The Cartesian product A cross B. The Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B. The Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B. Example, A is equal to A comma B. Capital B is equal to 1 comma 2. Then A cross B is equal to A1, A2, B1, B2. Next one, relation. Any subset F of A cross B. Any subset F of A cross B. That is, F subset are equal to A cross B is said to be relation from A to B. Is said to be relation from A to B. Next, function. Suppose F is relation from A to B. F is relation from A to B. Every element in A has unique image in B. Every element in A has unique image in capital B is called function from A to B. Is called function from A to B. It is denoted by F maps A to B. It is denoted by F maps A to B. Example, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. It is set A, it is set B, A1, B2, C3. The mapping F. Function F maps A to B. This is called function. Next one. Some examples of sets. Examples of sets. Number system. The examples of sets in number system. The set of natural numbers. The set of natural numbers, it is denoted by capital N. The set of natural numbers, it is denoted by capital N. That is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. The set of whole numbers. The set of whole numbers, it is denoted by W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The set of integers. The set of integers, it is denoted by Z and so on. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Positive integers Z plus, negative integer Z minus. Positive integers Z plus, negative integers Z minus. Next, rational numbers Q. Rational numbers Q. Irrational number Q dash. Irrational number Q dash. Real numbers, it is denoted by capital R. Capital R is equal to Q union Q dash. Complex number, it is denoted by C is equal to A plus R minus IB, such that A comma B belongs to R, I square is equal to -1. This is the complex numbers A plus R minus IB, such that A comma B belongs to R, I square is equal to -1. This is the number system. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, positive integers, negative integers. This is used in groups very usefully. Next one, binary operation. Binary operation. If S is a non-empty set, S is a non-empty set. Non-empty means at least one element. S is a non-empty set. Non-empty means at least one element. If F maps S cross S to S. S cross F maps S cross S to S is a mapping. Is a mapping is called binary operation in S. Is called binary operation in S. Example, plus is a binary operation. Plus is a binary operation in the set of natural numbers n. The set of natural numbers, it is denoted by capital N. The set of natural numbers n, for example, A comma B belongs to n, implies A plus B belongs to n. This is plus is a binary operation in n. Multiplication dot is a binary operation in n. A comma B belongs to n, implies AB belongs to n. This is the binary operation. It is customary the binary operations are denoted by circle. Circle, read as circle. Read as circle. Star, read as star. Read as star. Okay, this is called binary operation. Next, closure law. Next one, closure law. Closure law or closure property. S is a non-empty set. S is a non-empty set means at least one elements. At least one elements. For A comma B belongs to S, circle is a binary. S is a non-empty set. Circle is a binary operation in S. For A comma B belongs to S, implies A circle B belongs to S. Implies A circle B belongs to S. For A comma B belongs to S, in additive notation, A plus B belongs to S. For example, 3 comma 4 belongs to N. 3 comma 4 belongs to N. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Belongs to N. This is the natural number. So, plus is a binary operation kabatti. This is called closure law. N is closed with respect to plus. N is closed with respect to plus. example, 3, 4, 2, 3 belongs to n. Multiplication 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 belongs to n. That is called n is closed with respect to dot. N is closed with respect to dot. It is called closure law. This is called closure law. A comma B belongs to S. A circle B belongs to S. In additive notation, A comma B belongs to S implies A plus B belongs to S. Next, second one, associative law. If S is a non-empty set, if A comma B, 0 is a binary of circle is a binary operation. For A comma B comma C belongs to S, A circle B circle C is equal to A circle B circle C is equal to A circle B circle C is called associative with respect to the operation circle. With respect to the operation circle. In additive notation, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. In multiplicative notation, A plus A into BC is equal to A into B into C. This is called associative law. This is called associative law. Next one. Identity element. Identity element. Identity element or existence of identity or existence of identity. S is a non-empty set and circle is with respect to the binary operation circle. S is a non-empty set with respect to the circle. There exist, if there exist, E belongs to S such that if there exist E belongs to S such that A circle E is equal to E circle A is equal to A. There exists E belongs to S such that A circle E is equal to E circle A is equal to A. For all A belongs to S. E is the identity element. E is the identity element. Okay. E is the identity element. In additive notation, A plus E is equal to E plus A is equal to E plus E is equal to E plus A is equal to A. Consider A plus E is equal to A. A plus E is equal to E. A cancel E is equal to 0. E is equal to 0 is the inverse identity element. E is equal to 0 is identity element with respect to plus. With respect to plus. 0 is the identity element with respect to plus. Additive identity antam. Then it is called additive identity. It is called additive identity. In multiplicative notation, A into E is equal to E into A is equal to A. E into E is equal to E. A cancel. E is equal to 1. 1 is the multiplicative identity with respect to multiplication. 1 is the multiplicative identity. This is called identity element of existence of inverse. Existence of identity, sir. Next, inverse element or existence of inverse. Let S is an non-empty set, circle be a binary operation on S. There exists B belongs to S. There exists B belongs to S such that A circle B is equal to B circle A is equal to E, where E is the identity element. A circle B is equal to B circle A is equal to E, B is the identity element. There exists B belongs to A such that A circle B is equal to B circle A is equal to E. In additive notation, A plus B is equal to B plus A is equal to E. In additive notation, identity element is 0. A plus B is equal to 0. B is equal to minus A. The inverse of A is equal to in additive notation minus A. The inverse of A is equal to minus A in additive notation. In multiplicative notation, A into B is equal to B into A is equal to E. A into B is equal to, in multiplicative notation, identity element is E is 1. B is equal to 1 by A. B is equal to A inverse. B is equal to A inverse. One is the identity element with respect to multiplication. B is equal to A inverse. This is A inverse. Next one, commutative law. Commutative law. S is a non-empty set. Circle B a binary operation on S. If A comma B belongs to S, it implies A circle B is equal to B circle A. A circle B is equal to B circle A. That is called commutative law. With respect to the binary operation, circle. With respect to the binary operation, circle. In additive notation, A plus B is equal to B plus A. In multiplicative notation, AB is equal to BA. This is called commutative law. Next one, algebraic structure. Algebraic structure. A non-empty set Z. A non-empty set Z. A cupid with one or more two binary operations. A cupid with one or more binary operations is called algebraic structure. Is called algebraic structure. This is also called algebraic system. S is a non-empty set. Circle is a binary operation. The algebraic system is denoted by S comma 0. S comma 0. Examples: n plus n is the natural numbers, plus is binary operation. N dot z plus z is integers, plus is binary operation. N is in natural numbers, dot multiplication. This is called algebraic structure. Next one, semigroup. The algebraic structure S comma 0 is said to be semigroup. S comma 0 is said to be semigroup. It's the following properties. It satisfies the following properties. First one, closure. Second one, associative. Closure means A comma B belongs to S implies A circle B belongs to S. S is the non-empty set, 0 is the binary operation, circle is the binary operation. A comma B belongs to S, A circle B belongs to S. Associative, A circle B circle C is equal to A circle B circle C for all A comma B comma C belongs to S. This is called semigroup. Next one, monoid. The non-empty set S is together a binary operation circle. The non-empty set S together and binary operation circuit satisfies the following properties, that is closure, associative, existence of identity. Closure, associative, existence of identity is called monoid. Is called monoid. Closure means A comma B belongs to S. That implies A circle B belongs to S. Associative, A circle B circle C is equal to A circle B circle C. Existence of identity, A circle E is equal to E circle A is equal to A. It is called monoid. Next, the definition of group. Next one, the definition of group. A non-empty set Z together with binary operation circle, Z together with binary operation circle is said to be group. It satisfies the following properties. Is said to be groups. It satisfies the following properties. First one, closure. Second one, associative. Third one, existence of identity. Fourth one, existence of inverse. This is called group. This is called group. In an empty set Z together with a binary operation circle is called a group if it satisfies the following properties. First one, closure, associative, existence of identity, existence of inverse. This is called group. Closure means A comma B belongs to S. That is the binary operation circle of A circle B belongs to S. Associative, A circle B circle C is equal to A circle B circle C. Existence of identity, A circle E is equal to E circle A is equal to A. Existence of inverse, A circle B is equal to B circle A is equal to E. In additive notation, A plus B belongs to S. A plus D plus C is equal to A plus D plus C plus C. A plus E is equal to E plus A is equal to A. A plus B is equal to B plus A is equal to E. In additive notation. In multiplicative notation, A star B belongs to S. A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Existence of identity, A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. Existence of inverse, A star B is equal to B star A is equal to E in multiplicative notation. Next, last, abelian group. Abelian group. The group Z comma circle is said to be abelian group if A circle B is equal to B circle A is called commutative group. Is called commutative group. Group definition: Z comma circle it satisfies the four properties: closure, associative, identity, inverse. Let us start some problems in next class. Okay, thank you.